Birthplace of Philippine Surfing. This is a recognition that House Bill number 8945 wants to confer to the municipality of Baler in the province of Aurora. The House has approved the measure on third and final reading with 179 affirmative votes, no negative, and 6 abstention. The bill, authored by Aurora Representative Rommel Angara, also wants Baler to be declared an ecotourism destination. Angara said surfing was introduced in Baler in the 1970s. Once it becomes a law, the Department of Tourism will be mandated to make a development plan. This will include construction, installation, and maintenance of facilities and infrastructure, promoting the beaches and surfing activities in Baler.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.